It's not hard to figure out that you could use some extra money in your wallet. You simply need to check the contents of your wallet. What about the difficult part? Figuring out how to make some additional money on the side. It seems that everyone these days is working a side gig of some kind, renting out things or selling unwanted items to make extra cash, which is awesome. But where did they get the ideas for all of those different ways to make money? They probably came across this list of 12 different ways that you can make additional money by accident. Another list might exist somewhere else. This is also a distinct possibility. Number 12. Become an online tutor. Think again if you believe that getting perfect grades throughout high school and college is required to be a successful tutor. It is not as important what you know as it is how well you know what you know. Companies that provide online tutoring such as Tutor.com, Tutorum, and StudyPool hire tutors to share their expertise with students on a variety of subjects through the use of the internet. It is imperative that you exercise extreme caution when deciding which tutoring position to accept. Some of the users who sign up for these sites that provide on-demand tutoring are really just looking for someone to do their homework or write their essay for them. When sorting through the postings, exercise caution and common sense. Number 11. Become a tester who focuses on the user experience. Every company has the same expectation that their website will provide valuable information, accomplish their objectives, and of course, generate revenue. But if there is something that isn't functioning properly, the company needs to know why, and many of them will call on user experience testers to provide feedback. Do you have the ability to quickly determine whether or not a website is designed with the user in mind simply by spending a few minutes browsing the page? User testing and TryMeUI are two examples of companies that will pay you for your feedback. The majority of them will boast that you will receive $10 for every 20-minute test that you successfully complete. Number 10. Take surveys. Investigate paid survey sites such as MyPoints and SurveyJunkie, where you can get paid for providing your feedback and answering questions about products and services. Doesn't that sound like a pretty good deal to you? Bear in mind that these websites select users based on a very narrow set of criteria, so make sure you bring your game. Therefore, it is possible that you will not be eligible for every survey that you come across. In addition, before you can cash in your points, you will first need to complete a predetermined quantity of surveys. It's by no means a strategy for becoming wealthy overnight, but over time that additional cash can still add up to a significant amount. Give it a shot if you're the kind of person who can be patient and persistent. Number 9. Get a rebate from mobile applications. There is an abundance of mobile software available that can guide you through the process of earning additional income by performing a few straightforward tasks. We're talking about something that's extremely simple here. The kind of easy where you just grab your phone and scan the receipt. You can make some extra money without putting in a lot of effort by using mobile apps such as Ibotta, Rakuten, Shopkick, ReceiptHog, and Dosh. Number 8. Become an English teacher. It's kind of like going the tutoring road. But instead of teaching math or science, you'll be teaching English with a company like VIP Kid, a big favorite of fans in our Ramsey Baby Steps community on Facebook. Do not worry if the word teach causes you to feel even the slightest bit anxious. They will take care of everything related to the lesson plans and grading for you. However, you will need the motivation to teach others and the availability to lead an online class in order to be successful in this endeavor. Earning money while assisting other people. This situation benefits both parties. Number 7. Make a living off of your creative abilities. You have the creative skills, but for some reason you haven't been able to find anyone who wants or needs your amazing work. Why not use Fiverr to pick up some extra side work in your spare time? Freelancers who have expertise in writing, editing, graphic design, and voice-over work can connect with clients who are looking for creative minds to work on their projects through the website. You're going to put together a profile, which will be almost exactly like a resume, that will be accessible to prospective employers who are interested in learning more about your experience, rates, and areas of expertise. Prepare to unleash all of your creative potential. Number 6. Become a virtual assistant and offer your services to other people online. This could be an ideal opportunity for you if you are someone who is well-organized, enjoys a good challenge, and would like to work from the comfort of their own home. In addition to that, who doesn't enjoy having a little bit of variety in their workday? There is a good chance that the majority of business owners could benefit from your assistance as they seek to strike a healthier balance between their professional and personal lives in the present day and age. You can begin offering your assistance by searching for opportunities on websites such as Upwork and Zirtual. Number 5. Position yourself to be influential. Get compensated for your contributions to social media. Indeed, it seems that making use of social media platforms can be of some benefit. You should give some thought to turning yourself into an influencer if you already have a sizable audience on social media platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram, or even on your blog. You could become a go-to resource for businesses to use in order to get even more exposure on the internet by writing about topics such as fashion, cookware, or home decor. Simply make contact with the companies whose products or services you admire and let them know you'd like to collaborate with them. Check out Sherry Sale and Amazon Associates as well, particularly the former if you are interested in engaging in affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Number 4, become a social media manager. Most companies have a social media presence. In addition to the fact that it is a cost-free method of marketing, it also allows the company to maintain a connection with its current and potential customers and to grow its audience. But for more modest businesses that don't have a large staff, it can feel like an insurmountable challenge. Here's where you come into play. If you are someone who is naturally creative, has a knack for making connections with others, and is well-versed in the various social media channels, this opportunity may be ideal for you. Number 3, make money off of your photographs. Are you maybe a photographer? Do you have a lot of photos that are taking up space on your camera roll, such as beautiful sunsets and perfectly staged lats? It is not necessary for you to be a professional photographer in order to make additional money off of your photographs. Phope will pay you up to $10 for a photo, although certain photos can fetch more for special missions, but they will also take 50% of any sale that your photo makes. Bear in mind that there is no assurance that individuals will purchase your photographs. However, even if you only sell a few, that will still be some easy money for something that you have already done. Number 2, drive for Uber or Lyft. Consider becoming a driver for an on-demand transportation service like Uber or Lyft if you're short on cash, but would still like the flexibility of setting your own hours. You're free to drive however much or little you want, and your schedule is entirely up to you. In addition to this, you have the opportunity to participate in various engaging exchanges along the way, or at the very least, some fun stories to tell of your travels with strangers. It goes without saying that the amount of money you make is reliant on both your location and the number of times per day that you transport customers. Therefore, if you occasionally find yourself with a free Saturday, you might want to consider becoming a glorified taxi driver so that you can explore your city while earning money to do so. Number 1, become a driver for a company that delivers food. Since the pandemic that occurred in the year 2020, many restaurants have either completely shut down their dining areas or reduced the number of seats available. So what exactly does that imply? Additional takeout. Becoming a hero in your city can be as simple as delivering food to people's front porches. Delivering food to customers who have placed orders through services such as Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Postmates is an excellent way to earn additional income in your spare time. Plus, the interior of your vehicle is going to be immaculately clean. We can't help but feel envious of them. Hit that subscribe button for more ideas. Also like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.